another vlog. It is currently 4:30 a.m. and today we will be headed to Tanay Rizal, which is towards Antipolo. We actually went up here a few years back. Yeah, I'll actually try to find the clip, put it here, when we still had our WRX and we went up together with Uncle Jinx.
That car had a bad history, so I'll save that for another vlog, but this trip must be exciting.
We will be with around 10 to 12 other cars.
Our lineup today will be solid, full of Euros, some JDMs, an R35 is joining, Porsche Macan, Lamborghini Huracan, Z3M Clown Shoe, the Sunset Orange M2C, and yeah, we're headed out now.
If you haven't seen our last vlog, we actually installed the FI exhaust on the Huracan. Make sure to check that out and let's get going.
Look at this dope lineup right here. We got Sunset M2C. Be sure to follow him. Here's Adrian Garcia's R35 Cop Garden. This is his GTR. Them here in the Porsche Macan. And we got Nash's Lambo right here. Our M2C. A Camaro. Ruben with the E350 Coupe.
Good morning, Mr. Yu. What car did you bring today?
It's a Lambo.
And check this out.
If y'all wanna find out how Adrian does his vlogs, this is how he does it. Yeah, you see him holding the mic with the Sony camera he bought just recently.
Okay, the sun is about to rise. Just listen to the downshifts of this Lambo. Oh my god.
So the forecast earlier said that 5 to 8 a.m. it's going to be slightly rainy today, but it seems like we have a good weather right now. According to Waze, we have 48 more kilometers to go to Jariel's Peak. It's going to be a long drive, about to enter the twisties, and look at that lineup right behind us. We're about to meet some more friends up there. There's an M4 competition, R8, Miata, GT86, and several other cars that you do not want to miss out on. And right now, we're just about to enjoy the ride and stay tuned for more. Look at that view. You guys can see, we are in Cloud 9. Cloud 9, literally.
Alright guys, you know it's the Burr months when we have a red and a green Lambo.
Yo, at this rate, I don't think Nash will have gas. He's
Yeah.
driving in Corsa.
The whole time when his valves open. And we still have 30 minutes
23 more kilometers.
to get to Jariel's and what more going back.
That's another 75 kilometers going back until we get back to civilization.
Look at this Mini. So unfortunately, we need to turn around because we need
Follow them,
a
there's a
medical
hideout.
certificate.
We'll
just take some pictures here and
What?
have breakfast at
Wait,
Greenhouse.
before bro.
Look
Beautiful.
at those rims. GTR.
Sunset. Z3 Clowny. You caught up. Yeah.
the lineup for today, we have 2 Lambos in Christmas colors, an M4 competition, a top-down Mini Cooper, 2 GTRs, 2 M2 competitions,
1 Sunset, 1 Hockenheim Silver,
an E350 Coupe,
Porsche Macan, and 2 Civic SIRs.
as well as the Z3M.
Yeah, oh yeah, Clown Shoe. That was a crazy meet, to say the least. We've got a beautiful lineup, mix of Euros, the JDMs, and I still love the exhaust of the Huracan. Beautiful. So unfortunately, the Porsche had the check engine, and it's basically telling them they cannot go past 3rd gear. We're enjoying the cruise down. Hopefully nothing happens to that car. Another pit stop to see the beautiful view here at Rizal. GTR with an Armitrix exhaust. And this is the M4 competition. It's got the blacked out kidney grills. Yeah, should be a beautiful thing. That's about it for today's vlog. We chose not to go for breakfast because of the quarantine, but stay tuned for more videos, more content. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Cheers!